Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a monthly, monthly spread in the Simply layout, which I will be using for a work planner for now. I love the dashboard layout. If you know me, you know that I love the dashboard layout. I'm also going to decorate just as a mock spread in another video, the dashboard layout. But I want to do different mock spreads to show you guys how you can use my stickers to decorate your happy planners. So today I want to use these gorgeous stickers that are now available on my website, thepleasantlyplanned.com. These are called Counting Blessings, and so I love these because I actually incorporated the decorations in with the quote, and I matched the quote to the decor. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to probably use a small and a medium, or a small and a mini sheet. Don't know that I'll use this large kit. So these are called kits in my shop. If you're not familiar, a kit is just, I named it a kit because it's kind of a kit that you can do a whole spread with. It's got some scalloped washi on the side here, some headers, and then different size boxes. So it is just one sheet. It's called a kit. It's not multiple sheets. Okay, let's pull out November here and get started. So I love the colors in these stickers. They are so pretty. So I'm going to start with, of course, my corner. Y'all know I love corners. So we're just going to do that. I did cover up the notes, but I'm not real big on whiting out stuff these days. So yeah, there's that. And if you have been here a while and you've been through my recent changes, I explained that in my video just before this one, my Passionate Penny Pincher video. I am going back to everything the old way. I did mention that one of my biggest downfalls, one of the worst things about myself, is I get discouraged. I am going to use this kit too, but I easily get discouraged when things that are generally smooth running, smooth sailing get complicated and aggravating. And so I kind of mentioned in that video that the reason that I made my recent changes was because Cricut just cannot leave well enough alone with their design space. And the last several months or so, using design space to print and cut stickers has been a daunting task that has made me basically not like printing and cutting stickers. It's just been awful. Not to mention, I talked about that I'm bringing back my clear sticker paper, but I'm going back to the older version, my original version, because I showed how my clear sticker paper, it curls and it drives me mad because my printers eat it. So just the last few months, I mean 2023 in general has been a really hard year for my family and I, but the last few months have been particularly challenging with just so many things just not going smoothly. And so I get discouraged, and then I start telling myself negative things. I have negative thoughts, and then I believe the negative thoughts, and then I believe I need to change things, and then I change things, and then I don't like it. And it's just a vicious cycle, and I don't know what it stems from. I don't know where it comes from. I don't like it. So I asked in that video if you guys would just pray for me, join me in prayer that the Lord will help me to stop those thoughts, to stop thinking that way, and to just go with the flow and, you know, just go with the flow, and stop being discouraged and all of those things that have really just messed me up lately. So anyways, this is really cute. I kind of wish that I had cut this clear sticker down a little bit, but I didn't. I wonder if I can still get that accomplished. Let's try it. I wish I'd have cut it so that it doesn't show behind my green box. I need to go eat something. I have the shakes. It's almost 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten today, which I know better. but there again, another one of my downfalls. But okay, that makes me feel better. All right, so we have that. And these are a little bit offset, and I kind of like that, so I'm going to be happy with that. Let's see. Now, I have on Saturday, we have a release day. So let's take and put a green box up there. I'm going to use the small kit. So we'll put this one here. And then my youngest has an orthodontist appointment on the 15th. I think I need to change my blade. These stickers are not peeling off as easily as I'd like them to. On the 8th, I need to pay some bills, but I'm not going to put a sticker there just because it'll be on top, and I don't like that. I need a pink sticker over here. I kind of wish I hadn't put that one there, but it's okay. I'm going to put this one here. Yeah, I'm going to try to move this. So we're just going to put boxes down, and I am, like I said, with that pink box, just going to put a couple random boxes too to kind of even things out. All right, so that makes my brain feel a little bit better. Now I think I'm going to take this purple color and put one over here. So I did say on the 8th I need to pay bills, so now we can have that there. And then let's take let's do one more over here of this purple color. I need to add some washi. I didn't use any washi in my last one, but I'm missing my washi, so we're going to try to incorporate some washi. All right, now I want to kind of decorate around with some cute little stickers. I do want my quote, so I'm going to take this quote and I'm going to put it, down here. And then I think I'm going to use, actually I may put it here. I think I'm going to take this and put it down here. I hope y'all can't hear my music. I'm going to get a copyright violation. I need to turn it down. There we go. Let me turn this down some. Okay. Now let's trim off the edges. That's cute. All right, I think my quote's a little bit crooked, but it's okay. So now I want to kind of decorate around my boxes with some florals and some pumpkins maybe. So I think I want to do, I'm going to take this one, and you'll even notice like on my mini sheets, the stickers aren't really that mini sized, if that makes sense. They're not tiny. They're almost perfect for this monthly. All right, and now let's see. I want to do something over here, so I think I'm going to take this and put it beside this pink sticker. But I kind of want to cut around. So let me try a little trick here. All right, so I just use regular wax paper that you can find in the, like with the aluminum foil in the grocery store. And I'm just cutting around the sticker where I want it to go around my box. I'm not going to white out any lines here. I'm going to try to keep things simple. Okay, that's so cute, super cute, super cute. All right, now I want, somebody's leaving right here beside my bedroom door, so sorry about the noise. I think I'm going to take, This is what I usually do without and not use the wax paper. I normally lay my sticker down. When I use the clear, I lay it down on the, while it's still on the sticker paper, and I cut this way, but I didn't do that just a minute ago. Either way, it still works out the same. Okay, that's really cute. All right, look how cute this is. Now I need something over here. I don't quite have enough here, so I'm going to take this sticker and figure out kind of how I can cut it to make like the florals come off of this box just a little bit. I'm so excited that the weather has cooled down, except it's been like really, really cold here. This morning I think was in the 30s, and so, you know, we went from 80s to the 30s like really fast, so that was kind of a shock, but I'm enjoying the cooler weather. I do not like summers at all. I think I'm going to go down with this, but I'm excited for the holidays. I don't know, I just like this time of year. I think I'm going to put my Christmas tree up soon just to, you know, boost my spirits a little bit. All right, look how cute that is, y'all. Now I want to use some black and white grid washi. So let me go find my grid. Okay, so this is grid washi that I'm supposed to have added to my shop a couple months ago, but I forgot, but I restocked my grid washi. So yeah, it's in my shop. If you're interested in it or looking for it, it's really hard to find. I had a hard time finding it. So I went ahead and grabbed, I don't know, I think I got like 25 or 30 rolls. So there's not a ton of it, but I do have some in there if you're looking for it. And hopefully when it sells out, I can restock again, because I just think this grid washi just, I don't know, you just can't go wrong adding the grid washi to a spread, especially in the fall and winter. So, all right, let's cut that like that way. Look how cute it is. All right, and then I'm going to take this other piece and just kind of come off the side here. Just a little bit. It's not going to go all the way across, and I'm okay with that. When you're using washi, do not pull it too tight because it will curl your page and frustrate the daylights out of you. All right, let's cut this off. All right, look how cute that is, y'all, with that grid washi. Now I kind of want to do a little bit of grid washi. I like decorating my boxes with the grid washi, but I don't know if I can do that with as wide as this washi is. I really like decorating my boxes, but why don't I try to use some of the scallop washi that is on my kit. Now this might be a challenge because my blades need to be changed, but let's just go in here. And I love decorating my boxes with a little bit of color. I just think it looks super cute. See how cute that is? And then we'll do the other pink one. I mean, I can even go all the way across. I kind of like it better all the way across, to be honest. I can still hear my radio. I need to hit the mute. Yeah, I kind of like it better all the way across. So I'm going to attempt to rectify this. And we're just going to lay, that over top of there and pretend like that never happened. Okay. Oh, I don't like the way that just kind of ripped. It didn't cut smoothly. Okay, that's better. All right, so now I want, what do I want next? I have some of this purple. I don't know. I think I'm going to leave well enough alone, y'all. All right, so I think I'm going to be done with this spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, you can find these stickers, a whole bunch of Christmas. Let me go ahead and just show you the rest of everything. If you've made it this far, you're one of my great friends that watch like all the way through my videos, and I appreciate you. So let me just go ahead and show you the rest of the new designs. I'm trying to find somewhere to put this stuff. My whole desk is a disaster behind me. Okay, so that was Counting Blessings. We have, now I just did the video, if you haven't seen that one, on with Give Thanks. So my really cute Thanksgiving ones. So we have those. And then, my chair's so squeaky. We have the First Thanksgiving, which is so cute with the little pilgrim boy and the Indian feathers. I love this one. Can't wait to use it. Then we also have Grateful Heart. These are just like some really pretty fall wildflowers with the matching boxes. Again, you can get the kit in large and small. My decorative stickers come in this large size, the small size, and a mini size. And then for Christmas, I don't have any actually print and cut, but all of my stickers are available in a digital printable format. So for Christmas, I have Nutcracker, Joyful Season. I love these colors. I have Farmhouse 2, Gingerbread. Again, I love these colors. And is that all? I thought there was more. Wait a minute. 1, 2. Oh, no, there's one more somewhere. Hold on. Let's see. Farmhouse, Gingerbread, Joyful Season, Nutcracker, Christmas Wishes. So, love, love, love all of these. So, there's 5 for Christmas and 4 for Thanksgiving. So, y'all head over to my website, thepleasantlyplanned.com. Use the code, all capital letters, Give Thanks. So, GIVETHANKS. And you can save 25% off your entire order. No minimum purchase required. So, that is it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I'm going to work on some more. So, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.